Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our penultimate day of class. Tomorrow and Wednesday will be individual presentations of your projects to me. So today is our last full instructional day. Today we're going to work on a business simulation, which is going to reinforce the methodology we've been studying of how to be product delivery specialists or product delivery process consultants. So for this activity, you're going to refer to this Google Doc, which also refers to a website I've set up here using the same skills you learned to create the Google site for your project. Right, so here we're talking about the background of the company you're working for. This is a real thing. There are companies out there like Capgemini and Accenture and many others, and people get hired, and I'm sure many of you will get hired as business process consultants, because we've talked about how the emerging job opportunities in the early part of the 21st century is in providing services. Large companies like IBM, Microsoft, and Oracle, which for many years specialized on providing hardware and software, are now withdrawing from those areas. They're figuring out it's cheaper to go out and outsource specific hardware and software delivery to other providers, smaller, more agile players, and they are focusing their core delivery on what they do best, which is to use their large size and their resources to provision business consultants, right? So other companies can hire Oracle or Microsoft, for example, to come in and set up a business operation, a call center, or some sort of a business process, or a governmental service, or a healthcare service, or a telecom service, or any of these other industry verticals we've been talking about. So anyway, for this simulation, you can go ahead and watch these videos. I've showed them to you before in class, and we're going to put into practice our ideas for our product delivery methodology, because here in Capstone Project, that's what we've been doing, delivering a project. And your simulation is going to be as follows. So here, we've divided everybody into teams. So here's team 1. And they're the members, and you guys are going to work together. You're given a certain scenario, and your job is going to be to analyze the current state of this company's processes, their product design, inventory management, order fulfillment, and customer service, and propose a new and improved process model that will streamline the operation, reduce cost, and increase customer satisfaction. Now, for the sake of this simulation, because we just have about 2 hours to do this, I have not generated backstories, so I'm going to leave it to you to work with your AI consultant as we've been doing in class, and you're simply going to develop an optimal process methodology for doing the requirements of each company. Right, so in this case, Team 1, AJ, Gagandeep, Mandip, and Parveen are going to apply the same skills you've been learning here in Capstone Project. You're going to use your BPEL and BPMN, Business Process Engineering, and Business Process Modeler language. You're going to design optimized processes for a fashion e-commerce company, and you're going to focus on optimizing speed of delivery of product, eliminating errors, and increasing customer satisfaction. Right? So each company is going to, so here's what you're going to do. You're going to take your assigned scenario, you're going to review your product development methodology, and that's the main purpose of this business simulation, to get you going more hands-on with that. And you're going to develop a Trello board, which is going to present, and in the last couple of minutes of class, you're going to, each team is going to take 3 to 4 minutes to present to the rest of the class what they've come up with. And this is also, I'm going to give you feedback, and this will be preparation for your real project presentation tomorrow, which is what your grade in this course is writing on. Right, so you're going to create a Trello board with an introduction, present the scenario you worked on, discuss the process methodology methods you used, the results you created, and anything else that you want to present to the rest of the project team here at Phoenix Corporation in terms of how you help your client company optimize their processes, right? So you guys get this. You are consultants working for Phoenix Corporation. You can read the background of Phoenix Corporation here. Just like real companies such as Capgemini or Accenture, we've sent you out to these various client companies, and you're going to analyze and improve their processes. This is very well-paying work. To be honest, it's not particularly hard. All you have to do is get one of these companies to hire you, and they will then train you in their company's internal methodology. And this is a very large growth industry, and it's quite likely that's going to be the kind of job opportunity that will be available to you. And the purpose of this business simulation is to give you the feelings of comfort and confidence, to understand, to have a mental orientation of what the purpose of the job is. So in the job interview, you can say the right things in a strong and confident way, convince the employer that you understand the expectations of the job, because that's about 90% of it. Once you get there, they're going to take you and train you. Once they see that you're somebody who understands what needs to be done and has a general sense of how it's done, they will train you in the specifics. Anyway, we'll see you in class.